In this video, you'll learn how to bid on eBay effectively. This guide will take you through the process from finding an auction listing to successfully placing your bid and monitoring the auction. Start by opening the eBay website or mobile app. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the name of the product you want to buy and press enter. It is important to look for listings specifically marked as auctions, as these allow you to place bids rather than purchase items at a fixed price. Click on the auction listing that interests you to open the product details page. On the product details page, take a moment to review the description, shipping costs, and seller feedback. This information is crucial in determining whether to proceed with your bid. Ensure that you are satisfied with all the details provided. After confirming that the item meets your expectations, you can prepare to place your bid. Look for the bidding section on the auction listing page, which is usually located below the product details. In the bidding section, you will see the current highest bid displayed prominently on the screen. In the designated field, enter the amount you wish to bid. It is essential to ensure that your bid is higher than the current bid amount. eBay has a feature that may automatically increase your bid in small increments if someone else places a higher bid. Before finalizing your bid, review the total cost, including shipping fees, to ensure it fits within your budget. Once you've confirmed everything, submit your bid by clicking the appropriate button. After placing your bid, the auction will remain active until it reaches its designated end time. During this period, other buyers may place higher bids, which you can track. To monitor the auction, utilize your watch list or check your bidding history. If another buyer outbids you, eBay will send you a notification. At this point, you have the option to place a higher bid in order to remain competitive in the auction. Remember that the highest bidder at the end of the auction wins the item. If you are the winning bidder when the auction concludes, you will be prompted to complete the payment process. Ensure that you follow the necessary steps to finalize your purchase and arrange for shipping. Keep in mind that large items may have higher shipping costs, and your payment method should be ready for the transaction. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.